Yo guys, what's happening? First off, let me just say, I'm sorry because I said I was going to post videos a couple weeks ago and I didn't. And I apologize. But you know what matters? The fact is that I'm here now and I'm here to go through some good analysis that I've got on EuroJPY. And today's topic is looking at the bigger picture, because as traders, that's what we need to do. We need to look at the overall picture. You can't just be going in phase first and just looking at the current price. We need to see what's going on, what's happened before that. We need to see what's been going on. Do you know what I mean? I think it will help traders go a long way. So let's just get into it. Oh yeah, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. Like a video, share it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's at MajorPipsFX. Let's go. Now, what you see displayed here is EuroJPY. This is the monthly chart. I always start off with the monthly chart because that's where you go to see. Well, that's the highest time frame. Well, it's not the highest time frame. You can customize the time frames on TradingView if you got TradingView, but you'd have to have like a Pro account or Pro Plus account or something like that. And on normal brokers, well, MetaTrader anyway, the highest time frame is a monthly chart. So I start off with the monthly chart. Now, what you can see displayed here is my support and resistance lines, a trend line, and a pattern, and I'm gonna go through it. So let's just get into it. Now, first trend line here. Support and resistance line here. This is the highest point price came to in this market. I always put a support and resistance line at the highest point of the market it came to and closed, and the lowest point it came to and closed. And then these two here are just very good support. This red one here is a very good support and resistance line, and here's another good support and resistance line. Now, how do you know support and resistance? Well, you have to count it out. Now, we've got two touches here, that's support, because price didn't break this line. Then you came up, made resistance, and then breakthrough, came down, and then we eventually broke through resistance and retested it, and it became support. When price breaks through resistance and retests it, it becomes support. Yeah, if it doesn't break back through straight away, but yeah, it's become support. So that's become support. We broke through. Price ended up breaking through, came back down to original support and broke through that one and made new support at the lowest point in the market it's ever been to on EuroJPY. Price has now then moved up from this lowest point and came up to previous support, which is now resistance. This strong red line that we got here has now become resistance. Price has come off that resistance and then broke through it again and made support again. So I hope you understand how support and resistance work. Support's at the bottom, resistance at the top. And when price breaks through resistance and then retests it, that becomes new support. And then when price breaks through support and retests it, it becomes the new resistance. Yeah? So let's carry on. So price has moved on from this support, came back up to resistance, broke through and made a new resistance up here, came back down to retest the old resistance, which is now support. Remember what I just said? Came back up again to test the resistance again, and then fell completely and came straight back down to our old support. Look at this red line though. Like, look how much time price came here and it's bounced off or retested it. Like, this is a brilliant support. Like, it respects this level here. What's the level here? 113816. It definitely respects that level around here. Yeah. And then from here, this is where I'm getting my bullish idea from. Cause I am bullish on this market overall. So price broke through, came down to support, came back up, broke through it again, came back up through it, then broke through it again, and came back up, came back down, and then we just got a huge buy off, and it came all the way straight back up to resistance. Yeah, came back down to our old support, and now price is just around here in this region right here. Now, why am I bullish? Okay, well, let's just start from the highest point. when price broke, this came down. It came straight down to our old support. It came back up, made a lower high. It came down, made a lower low. Up, lower high, down, lower low, up, lower high, down, lower low. Let me just quickly put that on there for you guys. I don't know what happened there. Yeah. Cool. Cool. Lower low. Lower low. Lower low. Lower high. Lower high. Yeah? Cool. So this is structure. This is just plain structure. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Yeah? Price literally destroyed all of that, and it came back down to support, and now price is climbing, and not only is it only climbing, we've got 3 touches on our trend line upwards. Yeah, so so right now it's looking bullish to me. This is where I'd finish on a monthly now, and then move on to the weekly. Oh yeah, and I'm pretty sure if we was to do from when we had the lowest lower low, if we was to put a fib on it, let's just see what happens. Yeah, there you go. Price is rebounded off that 618 area there, so I'm quite bullish at this moment. So what I do here, since I've got an overall look on the market, and overall I think the market's bullish, I then zoom into the weekly and see what I get. Yeah, and this is what I've got so far. So now you can see this highlighted red line. This is our strong support. As we can see, price has come down here and made a double bottom. Now this is a price pattern. A double bottom is usually a sign of trend change. Yeah, see, as you can see, price was going down originally. Hold on. Price was going down originally, came up to resistance, came down, made a double bottom, and then price started to go back up again. Yeah. So, but not only have we got a double bottom on the support and the trend line, yeah, we've also got a downward channel, which is right here. This is what we call a downward channel. Yeah. Not only have we got a downward channel, this could also be a potential flagpole move. Now, a flagpole move is basically like a flag in it. As you got the pole here, and this is the flag. What normally happens is, to measure the trading target, you measure the size of the leg, and then you copy and paste it, and then you put it on the outside of where the break and the retest would be on the downward channel. So it'd be like this. It would break out, retest, channel, and then price will go up, and I've measured it to come up to the 152 area. Now, that's normally how you would trade the pattern. Now, it could easily fail on us, and as we've got a trend line here, price could go the other way, break out of the trend line, and then give us a retest, and then go down and head towards support. You just have to be patient enough to know, this ain't, you don't get in here, you don't trade from here and buy or sell. You have to wait for a bit more confirmation. So this is the weekly chart. Let's go on to the daily. Now, this is just a bunch. So now, yeah, this is where you can see the price ain't. Obviously, the thing about trading is never precise. It's never on point. Things can go out of place. Do you know what I mean? So as you can see, prices everywhere here. It's come out of the channel and stuff like that here and stuff. but remember on the weekly it didn't. So this is just a weekly downward channel. Yeah, just keep that in mind. But yeah, there's not really much to see on the daily, so let me just take you straight to the 4-hour chart. Yeah, on the 4-hour chart I decided to take off everything, but we all know there's a double bottom that's to prove that there's a trend change. There's 3 touches on the trend line. We've just jumped off came off a very strong support, so I feel like it's cool for me to remove everything now and then look at current price. And current price, this is what current price looks like to me. It looks like we've got a falling wedge formation. For people who do not know what a falling wedge formation is, it is a sign of bullish price that's about to happen. It doesn't always work. Patterns are not 100% foolproof. It can fail, it can go down to the other side, hence why I've got lines coming out, breaking out to the bottom for the retest and then going downwards, because it's not foolproof. But what we like to see with a falling wedge formation is price break out to the upside, give us a retest, and then trade the leg that's come before the falling wedge formation. So that's how you would measure the target. Now, as you can see, that's how I go through, and that's how I feel like it is. That's how I feel like you should analyze the chart. Always start from the monthly, so you can have an outlook on everything. Do you understand? Because now for me to be able to clear everything off the 4-hour chart, because I already know there's 3 touches on the trend line. I already know this is in a channel. Do you know what I mean? This is in a channel. If this breaks out to the upside, it's only playing now to this flagpole move. If it breaks to the upside and goes up. So, you know what I mean? Like, this is just so simple. Just start from the monthly and work your way down. That will be my advice to any trader or any new trader. You know what I mean? I'm going to do a part 2 for looking at the bigger picture. I want to go through the dollar, euro, JPY. Sorry, I've done euro, JPY now. Dollar, USD, JPY, USD, CAD. Yeah, I'm going to go through those pairs because I just feel like it's important to know what to look for, and I just feel like starting from the top, from the very highest point, is the best place to start from. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Be tuned for the next one, looking at bigger picture part 2. Yeah, that's really it for me, man. Just make sure that psychology is key. Make sure you keep researching on these patterns and price and structure. It's very important, because if I didn't know any of these things about structure, I'd be lost. So just make sure you do your research. Okay? Alright, guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, MajorPixFX. Make sure you subscribe, give a like, comment. Yeah, you can give a dislike if you want. And if you didn't like it, yeah, just contact me if anything, if you need anything, and I'll be here again with the new episode. Peace.